Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Sagemaker. First, you will need an Amazon Web Services account. If you do not have one, creating it is a straightforward process. Next, ensure your identity and access management user has the necessary permissions to access Sagemaker services. This is crucial for security and functionality. Finally, choose an Amazon Web Services region that is geographically close to your data sources to optimize performance and minimize latency for your machine learning workflows. Once your account is ready, navigate to the Amazon SageMaker console. On the left, you will find notebook instances. Click on it, then select Create Notebook Instance. You will need to give your instance a unique name. Next, choose an instance type like MLT3, medium, and a platform identifier. Crucially, assign an identity and access management role that grants SageMaker access to other Amazon Web Services resources, such as S3 buckets. With your notebook instance launched, open it directly from the SageMaker console. This is where you will write and execute your code. You might need to install specific Python libraries or dependencies using pip commands within the notebook. Ensure your datasets are uploaded to an Amazon S3 bucket. This provides scalable and secure storage. Finally, configure your notebook kernel to align with your project's language and framework needs, such as Python 3. Now you are ready to write your machine learning model training code within the notebook. Define your training job parameters, specifying input data paths in S3 and the desired instance types for training, like ML, M5, XLarge. Then execute the training job using the SageMaker Python software development kit. This powerful tool simplifies the process. You can monitor the job's progress and view detailed logs directly from the SageMaker console, ensuring everything runs smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.